Hey, I'm just going to do a little short video. I want to give you a little update on me feeding these black soldier fly larvae from Grub Terra. I've been feeding them now for 7 days, and first I didn't think I liked them, or they liked them. It don't matter to me, but I had a comment and an email that says that their chickens wouldn't eat them. So I started just doing an experiment, just throw them in there, just throw this in there before I throw the food in there, and they do eat them. So, and I'm gonna show you how you like them. Now I think they do like the pellet feed better. So you see they do like it. Now I really haven't noticed any difference. I know Little Red's still in a pretty heavy molt. I still got one of the Americanas still in a pretty good little molt, so I don't know if it's helping them any or not. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna feed them this whole bag till it runs out, and then we'll reassess. So, but you know, if it helps. Of course, I was thinking last night that you know, it's the way they're made. I don't know if you can do anything about the molt. Just, you know, the way God made these chickens to do. So you just got to be patient, probably, or I do. But you can see that I think they like their pellet feed a little better. So I'm gonna throw some more out there and get them watered, and I'll do another. When the bag runs out, I'll give a final update on them and update on this and what I think about it. So far, I don't know if it'd be worth the money or not. So, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll give it to the end of the bag. I'm giving about 2 handfuls a day, so I just gave them 1 handful. I'll give them another one. So, anyway, support your local farmer. Appreciate you watching this video. Hit that subscribe button. 98% of my viewers are not subscribed, so hit that button. Don't cost you anything. I appreciate everybody watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the farm in the next video.